They are united 2,000 years ago, 5,000 year history. And what they say? American Civil War, 150 years ago.
Yeah, yeah, I know.
Bro, great.
Yeah.
Yugoslavia was like united Europe. We missed it because when we are together, we was stronger.
Yeah, I know.
But there was one Roman, ancient Roman Latin saying, divido et impera. That's the reason that they want to separate Taiwan, Hong Kong,
Yeah.
Manchuria,
Yeah.
Chinese, Muslim. They work to disperse.
Yeah, try
And
to.
then,
yeah.
yes, the same they work with Russia. They try with Ukraine, they separate and rule. It's imperialistic, Roman, ancient Roman imperialistic saying. Flame is one by one small.
Yeah.
That's the name of, they want to remove Taiwan, they want to remove,
Yeah, that's true.
you know,
Yeah.
and they want to make China
Separate.
and whatever.
Yeah.
Divido et impera. And it was very famous in Europe. Europe civilization, Roman
Yeah.
imperialism.
Yeah, yeah, I know.
And it was the system 2,000 years of the European countries. Divided, do it every day,
Yeah.
everywhere in the world.
Yeah.
From Nicaragua, China, Soviet, or Russia, everywhere, Macedonia,
Yeah.
everywhere. But if you are Catalonia and try to go,
I mean, this ideology is totally different with China, you know.
I know.
China always want to be united.
but they want to separate the China.
yeah.
But China make the walls around to stay in one, fit all the parts, and these become China.
Yeah, yeah.
From the first
Together, yeah.
But by his name, Qin, Qin, the big unity.
Yeah, I know.
King. Of course, you know. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I mean, the political idea between them and China is totally different.
Totally. This was UR is to unite and be big. China don't want to conquer nobody.
No.
They want to conquer, and if you are big and united, like Soviet Union, like Yugoslavia,
Yeah.
then make it in a part. It's very difficult when you are united. The flame are strong, but when you separated the flame with one water, they will one by one.
Yeah.
And they needed much more energy for this.
Yeah. Yesterday I went to the concert, you know, in the city center.
Yeah.
I think many young people, they don't speak English. They only speak Macedonian. Yeah, why? I mean, your English is much better than those young people. Is it because the education, like,
Yes, education.
is worse?
Education.
Worse. I talked to them, and they said no English. They don't even have the
Shocking.
easy communication, you know.
Shocking but true. Shocking but true. By the year, in the beginning, from after the war, it was rising.
Yeah.
From this
Idea.
ideology
Yeah.
said, if you destroy the education system and make the people not smart,
I know. Make
not
them dumb.
educated, it was the same, easier to rule. And then it was going like
Yeah,
this.
I know. Like, your mind is much more clear than the young people, you know.
Of course.
They are doing it the same way in Hong Kong. The education, they teach the Hong Kong young people to go
They
on the street.
indoctrinate
Yeah.
him they put in their mind.
They teach them democracy, freedom. They teach them freedom, like
Double standard.
jocks.
Yeah, double standard, two standard.
Yeah.
One for Europe, EU, and two for everybody. Not the same.
I know, yeah.
I was traveling a lot. I know Western Europe. Freedom is only in Denmark, Sweden, and Norway.
Yeah, North Europe.
There. Germany was under American occupation from 45. Under occupation. 200,000 American soldiers are based this moment in Germany.
Yeah, it's still there.
And what there?
And they're in South Korea and Japan.
Yeah, in South Korea and in Taiwan. In Taiwan they are not base maybe, but a lot of weapon instructors, spies, CS centers, hearing, whatever. And they are now about artificial island. They are in a panic. About China, South Sea, about island.
Yeah.
Panic.
Yeah.
They don't know what to do. Problem. And they go with the ships.
Yeah.
And what? And they have aircraft carrier. Bravo. Only democracy in Europe in these three countries. The rest, problem.
I know. Yeah.
也许老爷子看得比很多中国人都要更远，因为他自己的国家就是因为中了同一招，现在变得四分五裂，再也不成气候，所以他痛心疾首啊。很多国人因为没有失去过，所以对西方那套还心存幻想，没有他理解的这么深刻。我想我之所以跟他这么聊得来，可能也是有一种我们失败了，但是希望你们最终能够成功的打败美国那种惺惺相惜之感吧。毕竟大家都是曾经是社会主义的兄弟，那种亲切感，你来到这里你自然就会感受得到。